Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to do international wire transfer on Bank of America. The first thing I want you to do is log into the Bank of America app, and then I want you to come here and select Pay and Transfer. Okay, tap here on Wire for international. Now what you can do is choose where you want to wire the money from. So Bank of America, you have Merrill Lynch, we'll choose Bank of America, and then you click here on Start a Wire, and you'll be able to do this internationally and domestically as well. And then what you do here is click on Add a New Recipient if you don't have one already. Okay, just tap there, and then select the appropriate country where the recipient's bank account is located. Okay, then tap on Next. Now what you want to do is go ahead and review the relevant fees, okay, for the currency you will be sending, and then tap on Next. Select the one you want, tap on Next, and then you select the recipient account type. Okay, so it's personal or business and whose account it is, and then you tap here on Next again. And here, what you need to do is go ahead and add the recipient's information. So you come here and add everything, tap on Next, and then we can go ahead and add their bank information, right, for the recipient. Tap on Next. So basically their SWIFT code, okay, and then their account number. Tap Next here, and then the bank routing information will be verified. Okay, tap on Next. Confirm all the details you have entered is correct, and then tap on Add. Okay, and then you can go ahead and click on OK. And now that your international recipient has been added, you choose that account to send money to, right? So you wire money from, let's say, your checking account, saving account, tap Next, enter the amount you would like to send to them, okay? And then you'll see, right, how much they will be receiving, if there's any fees, the exchange rate, okay? Tap on Next. And when you're prompted, you can choose the purpose to indicate the purpose of your visit. Choose that, tap here on Next, and add any optional instructions if you want. These are completely optional. You can go ahead, click on Next. And if you have not done it already, you may be required to enroll in basically a secured transfer to send your wire. So you can tap here on Next, and then you'll get an authorization code, basically a text message to complete enrollment. Okay, and then you just add your ATM debit card details. Tap here on Add to complete the enrollment. You'll receive a confirmation that your number is enrolled. Click on Continue, and then just review the wire details before you send it over. Okay, then if you need to edit, you can go ahead and do that by clicking on Edit. Just go ahead and continue to scroll, and then here, just tap on Send, and you'll get a receipt. As you can see, the wire has been submitted. You can tap on Done, and it will be scheduled. Okay, and you can cancel this within 30 minutes if you want. Really that easy. After 30 minutes, the scheduled transfer will show as processing. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.